most people buying a used Mercedes in Kenya don't fail because they choose the wrong brand. No, they fail because they choose the wrong model. Today, I'm not selling you a dream. I'm showing you the safest Mercedes model to buy used in Kenya. The ones that balance luxury, reliability, and realistic maintenance cost. If you're planning to buy a Benz and you don't want to regret, this video is your insurance. Not all Mercedes models are equal. Some engines are bulletproof, some gearboxes are nightmares, some electronics are too complex for Kenyan road conditions. Parts availability, it matters so much. Fuel quality matters also, and the most important one is the local mechanic skill level. And in Kenya, reliability is not about what works in German. It's about what survives in Nairobi traffic and Kenyan fuel. The safest models in Kenya that I could gather. And in these ones, we are focusing on the mechanical simplicity, the proven engines, part availability, and the manageable maintenance cost. So number one is Mercedes-Benz C200 or C180 W204 model 2008 to 2014. Why it's safe? They have a solid build quality, widely available parts, many local mechanics understand this car, and they have a balanced luxury and cost, and they have a strong resale value. So what to check? Timing, chain, noise, suspension, bushing, gearbox servicing history. Now, this car, I would actually prefer it for a first-time Mercedes buyer or a young professional or a daily commuter, because this is the entry-level Benz that won't punish you financially. Number two is Mercedes-Benz E250 or E300 W212 models 2010 to 2015. Why it's safe? One of the most respected model E-Class generations. Second, it's very comfortable for the Kenyan roads. Thirdly, durability, engine option. It has the durable engine option. And number four, it gives an executive look without S-Class repair bills. Now, what you need to check is the air suspensions, if equipped, electronic modules, and the transmission servicing. This one I'd actually refer it to, or I'll actually prefer it for the business owners, cooperative executive, or family upgrade buyer, because this is luxury without drama if maintained properly. Number three is Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203 model 2005 to 2007 facelift. Why it is safe? Mechanical simplicity, affordable entry price, easy to maintain, parts are everywhere. This one, I'll actually recommend it for a budget-conscious buyer and a first Benz experience. Anyone who is looking for a first Benz experience, this one is for you. But the warning is, condition matters more than the model here. Finally, number four is Mercedes-Benz ML350 W164 models 2009 to 2012 facelift. Why it is safe? Solid SUV presence, proven V6 engine, good for Kenyan terrains, and comfortable and practical. What you need to check is the suspension, the 4MATIC system health, and the oil leaks. If you want an SUV status without Range Rover problems, this is a smart choice. Now, my practical buyer protection section. I like always to protect my buyer. Now this is where you differentiate yourself with the rest. Before you buy any Mercedes, always budget 20 to 30% extra for repairs after purchase. Number 2, demand full service history. Number 3, scan the car with a proper diagnostic tool. Number 4, avoid cars with modified wiring. Number 5, check previous accident repairs. And number 6, don't buy because it's cheap. Ask why it's cheap. If the deal looks too good, the repair bill is waiting for you. This is my money advice section, and I want to tell you this. If you can't maintain it properly, afford genuine parts, service it consistently, then don't buy it yet. This is my saving advice for you. Save for 3 to 6 months of maintenance buffer if you really want to buy this car. Avoid taking loans for old luxury cars. And always remember, insurance cost matters. Okay? My final take is, luxury is not about the badge. It's about ownership experience. Buy the right Mercedes and you'll enjoy it. Buy the wrong one and you will finance your mechanic's lifestyle. So if this helped you avoid a mistake, subscribe. Next video, the Mercedes models you should never buy used in Kenya.